Good morning, dear students of class 10. I already completed Geography 1 chapter, Political Science 1 chapter, and today I am going to teach about another subjects. It's History, chapter number 1, The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. In this chapter, maximum 5 or 6 questions are important question that is sure shot for your board exam. So today I am going to discuss about the first question. The question is, what is called as the Civil Code of 1804 or what is called as the Napoleon Code of Conduct 1804. So don't be confused. Both questions are same. Let's discuss with answer. So in 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte reformed some policy or principle for the people of France in 1804. That principle and policies are called as the Napoleon Code of Conduct. First point. In the year 1804, Napoleon Bonaparte incorporated revolutionary principle in administrative field in order to make the whole system more rational and efficient. Means before before the government which are continue in France, their principles are really not beneficial to the people of France. So he removed such all ill policy and make such a kind of principle which enable to all human beings of France to got benefited. So the first one is all the privileges based on birth was removed. All the privileges based on birth was removed. Second point. Establish equality before law and secure right to property. Equality before law means everyone is equal in the eye of law, and maintain right to property. Means right to property means you have the power to keep your property, either land, either rupees, whatever is there, it belongs to you. Okay. Third point, he simplified the administrative division and abolished the feudal system. Feudal system in class I remember. Feudal system, it's the one kind of zamindari system, was totally removed and abolished from the France. Next point, freed peasants from serfdom. Serfdom here means slavery. They all are got free from slavery. And manorial dues. Manorial dues means whatever the dues they have, all are got free. No need to pay the money. Next, whatever the guilt restrictions are having in the towns are totally removed. Guilt restrictions, the barriers are removed from the France. Last point, transport and the communication systems are improved in France. These are the 5 or 6 points. You guys are go through it, prepare notes and prepare yourself for your board exam. That's all for today.